Looking for a weekend trip, kabayan? I love to recommend a magical cities around Bayern for your free day. Commence your journey in Bayreuth, a city synonymous with the famed composer Richard Wagner. Step into the world of opera at the Bayreuth Festival Theater, where the maestro's works come alive every summer. Meander through the Hermitage Gardens, a picturesque retreat that offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Next, find yourself in Bamberg, a city that prides itself on its unique blend of medieval and Baroque architecture. The Bamberg Cathedral and the Old Town Hall, perched on an island in the middle of the Regnitz River, are two must-see sights. And don't forget to sample Bamberg's world-renowned smoke-flavored beer, a treat for the senses. As you journey further north, you'll encounter Coburg, home to the Veste Coburg, one of Germany's largest castles. This fortress offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, a sight that will leave you breathless. While in Coburg, visit the Ehrenburg Palace, a testament to the city's regal past. Upper Franconia is not just about cities and architecture, it's also a haven for nature lovers. The Fichtel Mountains and Franconian Forest provide endless opportunities for hiking, biking, and bird watching. The region's numerous rivers and lakes are perfect for boating and fishing, offering a tranquil retreat amidst nature's splendor. Finally, no trip to Upper Franconia is complete without experiencing its culinary delights. The region is famed for its sausages, breads, and beers. Each town has its own unique take on these staples, offering a culinary journey as diverse as the landscapes. In summary, Upper Franconia in Bayern is a region that exudes charm and beauty. From the musical legacy of Bayreuth and the architectural wonders of Bamberg to the regal history of Coburg and the natural allure of the Fichtel Mountains and Franconian Forest, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget the gastronomic journey that awaits, with each town serving up its own unique flavors beer. Please share and subscribe to Lynn Marat Vlog for more mystical, open sesame villages in Bayern. Upper Franconia is truly a destination that deserves to be explored and cherished.